Hey guys, very big news. At noon on Friday, the broadcast on the 4th on the same day. It was broadcasted on the same day as the fifth wheel of the future, and the women's showman Branju Brace won the starting role of Ojiki Seri, and Emoja Misaki, the new CM of the broadcast room, will be released on September 1st. The new CM of the company will be released on September 1st. Like my video.